Yo. Alright, so welcome to the channel. This is my first video, and this is gonna be a build my bike kind of series for the channel. I don't really know how to talk to the camera, what I think, because it feels kind of awkward, or I just don't know what to say. But oops, I dropped it. But I had this bike since 2011 or 10. It's a 2011 or 10, whatever. DK. It's pretty messed up. I got tape for the grips because they like split down the middle. These are aftermarket. This is the only aftermarket thing I really got for the bike. It's just the tires. But yeah, it's messed up. I haven't rode it since junior year in high school, and it's been years since I've been out of high school. Or 4. It's coming up, I think. Everything's all dirty. It was a nice bike when I first got it. It actually broke. That's the reason why I kind of stopped riding it. I'm balancing it on my leg, but that's what it does. So the goal for today for this bike is to take the wheels, everything, take it apart, or everything's gonna be basically trash on it. I'm gonna keep the frame, of course. So I don't know what exact color to spray paint it though, so I'm still deciding on that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like just keep it red like this, or maybe like the same color as my car. But I have red grips. I ordered red grips, so I don't know. You gotta pick something that kind of matches with it too. Alright, well, let's get the day started then. Alright, we have arrived to our destination. Honestly, I never bought paint remover, so I really hope it's at Lowe's. I'm pretty sure it's at Lowe's because I looked it up and it was on the website, so hopefully it's in there. Hopefully everything I need's in there. Let's go. Alright, we are back at mi casa. So I had to get an SD card because my camera's memory died, or just ran out. Not died, ran out. But so this is what I got. I got a little spatula, wired brush, paintbrush, some sandpaper, some stripping pads, gloves. And then this is the color I'm going to be painting the bike. Yeah, so it's a paint and primer in one. And then I got the clear coat too. So hopefully I do a good job. There's the bike over there. Let's take her apart and get her started. Well, first let's do one glamour shot before we take her apart and paint her.
Boats and ho! Para vivilo los dos por ti volare.
Just a disclaimer, I have no idea what I'm doing. I hope the paint job turns out good because I never painted anything in my life. But I've been watching some videos on YouTube, so hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so bike's all apart now, and now we're just gonna tape her up and then clean it because it's pretty all grimy for just sitting for years. So we're gonna clean it up and then we'll start the paint. Alright, now the bike's all clean. I'm just gonna get the scraper and get the adhesive stuff to take off the sticker because the sticker's actually pretty. It won't come off. Well, yeah, comes off a little bit, but I still need to use it. Take off the glue, but once we get this taken off, and then we can start applying the paint remover. There. Alright, now we can start the paint removing. It hasn't even been 5 minutes yet, and it's already working. It's crazy. Mostly working right there, like reacting most in that area. Alright, let me just finish the whole bike and then come back when the paint is basically ready to come off. Alright, just a little update. Looking pretty good. Paint's coming off a lot in the middle. I feel like just one more hour and it should be like almost all the way gone. Okay, let's see how I'll get the paint strips off. Not that bad. Ooh, easy. Ooh. It's actually kind of satisfying. Okay, so I think it's ready. Oh shit. Yeah, it's ready. So I'm gonna take off the paint and then I'll see you guys when it's all the way off. Alright. I didn't expect it to be such a pain in the ass, but I think I got the paint off pretty well. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, not really, probably. But there's some right there. I need to get off a little bit, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. I just need to clean it off with like, I don't know, glue stuff or whatever. And then once I clean it off, I'm gonna sand it, and then it should be ready for paint. Hopefully I do a good job on the paint because this is my first time painting anything. And yeah, pretty nervous but pretty excited. I didn't know how long sanding took, but this is where I'm at so far. So this side's done, it's just dirty. And these two are pretty much done, and this is somewhat done, and then I have to get the back. But I think I'm gonna stop for today because I'm 30 and it's about to be dark in an hour. So I'll see you guys first thing in the morning. Alright, it's the second day now, and then we finished the sanding yesterday, and now it's ready for paint. So this is what I created to hang the bike. It's just a rope from the gym bag and then a wired hanger, and I got it in there. Yeah, looks pretty good. Nice little setup. Alright, I just finished the last layer, and it's not that bad. I have some minor imperfections, like there's some dots right there, and I had to, I don't know if you can see it, but I had to fix this part right here. It's a little light, but yeah, not bad for my first time ever painting something, I guess. But I'm just gonna wait for it to dry up, and I should add the clear coat, and hopefully it turns out good. I already did the final clear coat. So once it's done drying, I'm gonna bring it back inside and show you guys the final look of the bike. Alright, so here's the final result of the paint. I feel like it came out pretty good. There's some minor imperfections, like this part right here. I think water was just coming out of it when I washed it, which is, it's fine. I don't care about the paint being too perfect because it's my first time, so I knew it wasn't gonna be that good. But yeah, I know I'm gonna drop the bike anyway, so it's gonna get all scuffed up anyway. So there's like, I was like, yeah, it's okay. It doesn't matter if it's perfect. But overall, I feel like it came out pretty good. I feel like the metallic was a good choice because I feel like if I were to pick like normal paint, like you could see like more imperfections and stuff like that. So I feel like the metallic kind of hides it, the flat metallic paint. But yeah, overall, it's okay. So the next thing I'm going to try to do is build the front end of the bike. So I just got to order my forks. And once I order my forks, the front end of the bike will be done. And then I can start ordering like the seat and like the sprocket and stuff like that. And the wheels are going to be last because the wheels for me are the most expensive part. So I'll just save up for the wheels. Yeah. So once my forks come in, then I'll show you guys a video of me installing my forks in the front end of the bike. Maybe the lighting's not that good like that. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.